How should the maintenance work of the condenser of the chiller component be carried out? The performance of the condenser equipped with the chiller will gradually decrease as it is used for a long time. As a result, the condensing pressure of the system will be higher than the condensing pressure during normal operation. In order to prevent the performance of the condenser from deteriorating, the condenser needs to be maintained regularly. There are two main types of condensers used in small refrigeration equipment, air-cooled and water-cooled. Depending on the type of condenser, the methods for cleaning scale are different. 1. The air-cooled condenser uses air as the cooling medium. Since there is often dust in the air, some dust will stick to the outer surface of the condenser fins. Over time, the heat dissipation effect of the condenser will become worse. Cleaning should be done regularly.